Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Peggy Skincare. If you're here for the first time, I want you to click on the subscription button below, turn on your notification bell so you get updates whenever I post a new video. Today I want to bring to you guys my facial routine for pregnant women or for anybody to prevent acne, pimples, pigmentations on the face. So it's just very easy steps. Okay, the first thing I need to do, I want this video to be very short. I'm going to take my cotton wool. Okay, I'll take my facial toner. I have super oily face, as you can see. My face is super oily. This is my acne oil free toner. This is acne stress control. This is Neutrogena products. Okay, so it treats acne or prevents acne. I'm going to take this and cleanse my face. Okay guys, I just finished cleaning my face with my Neutrogena acne toner. So the next thing I'll need to do is this is my Indian clear. This is a very good clear. Okay, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon. This is the clear. You can mix this clear with your rose water. It is good. You can mix it with your rose water. If your acne is very strong, you can mix it with your vinegar, your apple cider vinegar, the bragg apple cider vinegar. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of this into my bowl. I'm going to cover it. So I think I have pimples here. It's coming out, so this has really helped me a lot from breaking out big time. Okay, so I'm going to take in teaspoon of my bragg, okay, into it. That's my apple cider vinegar. You can add your rose water if you want to. Okay, you're free to add your rose water. So you're free to add your rose water. So I'm going to mix this properly. I'm trying to mix this properly. You can see with my brush. This is a very good healing clear. It's going to help heal your acne or pimples, or if you're having a lot of pigmentations on your face, this is going to help it. Forget about the redness. I just use the cleanser to cleanse my face, and I had to wash it off from my face. Okay, using my facial brush. Sorry I didn't show that part. I did that in the bedroom using my facial brush, but it's going to calm down. It's because I had to stress myself in brushing out off. You know, when you're pregnant, you tend to have a lot of pigmentations and all that, stretch marks, pimples, acne and all that. So I'm done mixing this. I'm going to apply it on my face. So when I'm done applying this, I'm going to let this, you know, when I'm done applying this, I'm going to let this get so dry, and then I wash it out. The reason why I'm using my makeup brush, a clean one for that matter, is because if I use my fingers, I'm not going to, you know, get every part or every corner on my face. So a facial brush will do you lots of good. This clear mask has really helped me a lot. If not, I will not have acne free face. Okay, it's going to be so bad. You know how it is. being pregnant and all that. So this clear is good for anybody, if you're pregnant or not. Is very great for anybody, so you can use it. Is an healing clear mask, so it's great. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes and then rinse it out. So I'm going to show you guys what I will use in rinsing out my face, and then after rinsing, what I'm going to use on my face. Okay, I'm done with it. So if this gets so dry, what I'm going to use in washing off my face, I'm going to use my Clean and Clear Morning Burst. You guys must be familiar with this product. It is a skin brightening facial cleanser and also facial wash. You know, it's going to help, you know, for people that has, you know, you have oily face like mine is so oily. It contains a lot of good products like the lemon, like the jojoba seed, citrus, a whole lot of great glycerin or stuff that will help brighten up your face. And also, you know, if you're having oily face, please be careful when you're selecting your products, because I'm using all this oil face controller is because I have super oily face, and when you're having oily face, you have acne prone face, you tend to have pimples or acne. So I try to use things that is meant for oily face, so I'm not going to break out. So this is going to dry up my face. It's going to dry up my face and then, you know, stop more breakout. So I'll use this in washing off this facial mask, and when I'm done, I use my brightening vitamin C water. This is vitamin C water. This is a Thailand product. This is a brightening vitamin C water. Okay, I'm going to use this, and then with my cotton wool, and then or I pour this in my palm and then apply on my face, massage on my face for about 5 minutes. I massage it properly, and then I use my hyaluronic acid. This is my hyaluronic acid. Hope you can see. This is good on the face. It helps. It's an anti-wrinkle serum. Okay, it is great on the face, so it's going to firm my face. It's a very good facial serum. It's a very great facial moisturizer. It's going to help, you know, sink in deep into my pores, okay, and then help firm my face. Okay, so that's what I'm going to leave on my face this morning after I use my brightening vitamin C water to massage my face. I'll use this and apply on my face, and off I go. If this short video was really helpful to you, I want you to click the subscription button below, share this video with your friends, turn up the notification bell so that you get updates whenever I post a new video. See you some other time. Bye.